Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily change the shutter speed on your ELGATO Facecam Pro. So, as you guys can see here, we are in the Camera Hub, which is the app designed for ELGATO cameras. Now go to device in the camera settings, make sure that the input is ELGATO Facecam Pro, and now scroll down until you see exposure. Here, if you want to change the shutter speed, as you guys can see now we cannot change it, but what we need to do is disable automatic exposure. Now as you guys can see here, we can adjust it however we want. And that would be it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.